In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your crosshair and arc raters. A clear crosshair can make aiming feel natural and consistent, so we'll walk through where the setting lives and what each option actually changes, all in a simple, easy-to-follow way. Start by opening your settings. At the top, select the Accessibility tab. Once you're there, scroll down a bit until you see the crosshair section. This is where all the customization lives. To begin editing, turn on the option called Override Crosshair Shape. That switch unlocks the controls so you can fully customize how your crosshair looks in-game. With the override on, you can choose from several shapes. The classic cross is a good all-rounder and lines up well with vertical and horizontal recoil. The circle gives you a clean perimeter that's easy to track during movement and hip fire. The T-cross leaves the top open, which some players prefer for better visibility of targets above the reticle. A rounded diamond offers softer edges if you find harsh lines distracting, and angled radial lines keep your view open while still giving clear directional guides. Pick the one that feels intuitive for your playstyle and screen size. You can also edit the center dot. A small, crisp dot helps with precision when you're tracking heads or lining up distant shots. If it feels cluttered, reduce its size or turn it off for a cleaner look. The goal is to find a focal point that guides your aim without blocking information. Next, dial in the length and thickness of the lines. Shorter lines keep the center visible and uncluttered, while longer lines can help you realign faster after quick flicks. Thinner lines are precise, but can get lost in busy scenes. Thicker lines are easier to see, but might cover targets. Outline thickness adds a subtle border around the reticle, which boosts visibility against bright skies or affects heavy moments. Opacity controls how solid the crosshair appears. Higher opacity makes it stand out, lowering it lets more of the scene show through. Finally, set the color. Go for high contrast against the environments you play most. Bright colors like cyan, lime, or magenta usually pop well, while darker tones can disappear in shadows. If you struggle to see your reticle, increase opacity, add a thicker outline, or switch to a more vibrant color. And that's it. Once you've made your adjustments, your crosshair will update using those settings. Jump back into gameplay and pay attention to how it feels. If anything distracts you or disappears in certain areas, return to accessibility, tweak a value or two, and lock in what gives you the clearest, most comfortable aim.